everyone, Miss Deweese here, and this week we are learning all about friends. And one of the things that friends do that's really cool is they share and they take care of each other. So I'm going to read a story about one of my favorite characters, Pete the cat, and his perfect pizza party. And on Friday, we are going to have a virtual pizza party. So let's see what Pete and his friends bring to the party. Pete the cat and the perfect pizza party. Pete the cat loves pizza. He loves parties too. Pete has an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. Look, there's his invitation to the pizza party. It says Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games. Bring your own swimsuit. What do you think they need to bring a swimsuit for? Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to put the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said, pepperonis would be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Look at them swimming. He's about to jump off the diving board. Do you think he'll make a big splash or a little splash? Squirrel said, pepperonis and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio pizza party. Grumpy Toad said, pepperonis, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle pizza party. Gus said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really want popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new. Maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn pizza party. What's on his bus? What topping is on his bus? Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Has any of you all ever had papaya? Do you know what that tastes like? Now, Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new. Maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a party, it's a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Look, they look like they are having a blast. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. The pizza was so high, they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight. Dynamite. Just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. So friends, we are going to have a virtual pizza party on Friday. I want you to bring a silly pizza topping to the party, and we will build a pizza together on Zoom. I can't wait to see what everybody brings. Bye guys.